Hello, and a warm welcome back to Afrekete Work from Home Jobs, where we explore business opportunities and navigate through potential scams. Join the discussion and earn rewards like gift cards, Cash App, PayPal, or Bitcoin by answering questions and contributing in the comments. Today, we're diving into the world of voice-over training methods. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your skills, there are various ways to get trained and excel in this exciting field. Plus, we'll talk about how you can earn top dollar with voiceover jobs that don't require a degree. First up, online courses. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera offer comprehensive courses covering vocal techniques, script reading, and audio production. These courses are flexible, allowing you to learn at your own pace. Workshops and seminars provide hands-on training from industry experts. These events are intensive and focused, giving you the chance to practice your skills in a collaborative environment. Check out voiceover studios and industry events for these opportunities. Private coaching offers personalized instruction tailored to your specific needs. A voiceover coach can provide detailed feedback and help you develop your unique voice. This one-on-one attention can be incredibly valuable for your growth. Voice-over classes at local acting schools or community colleges offer structured learning with a curriculum designed to build your skills progressively. These classes often cover vocal techniques, script analysis, and microphone techniques. Practicing on your own and studying voiceover techniques can complement formal training. Record and analyze your voice, listen to professional voiceovers, and read aloud regularly to improve your skills. Joining voiceover communities and forums can provide support, advice, and networking opportunities. Engage with other voiceover artists to share experiences and receive feedback. Popular communities include Voiceover Universe and relevant subreddits on Reddit. Creating a professional demo is essential for showcasing your skills to potential clients. Choose scripts that highlight your range, ensure high-quality audio, and consider hiring a professional producer for a polished demo. Voiceover training is a multifaceted process that involves developing your vocal skills, understanding the technical aspects of recording, and learning how to interpret scripts effectively. By exploring various training methods, you can build a strong foundation for a successful career in voiceover. We will be sharing our in-house current job openings at the end of this video. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information, including the actual work-from-home job link, free work-from-home resume and cover letter templates, a link to get you started with some free crypto, and don't forget to check out our ongoing work-from-home job in our trailer. Subscribe for more, like, comment, and share. Don't miss out on these exciting opportunities. Like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on making money from home. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you join our team.
So you're still here. Now let's introduce you to another one of our current in-house work from home jobs. This position is a work-from-home voiceover artist.
In the realm of our digital age, finding the right work-from-home job has become more than just a convenience. It's a necessity. The ability to work from the comfort of your own space, on your own time, and in your own way has revolutionized the employment landscape. One of the most exciting and creative of these positions is that of a voiceover artist. Imagine this: a work-from-home voiceover associate, a contract worker lending their voice to breathe life into scripts and texts. We are in the market for 4 such talented individuals each month, each bringing their own unique vocal flair to our projects. The role is as thrilling as it is rewarding. You'll be the voice behind our work-at-home job descriptions, data share associates reports, and even the occasional instructional booklet. And for this, we offer a generous pay of $30 per hour. What exactly does this role entail? As a voiceover artist, your voice is your instrument. You'll need to possess excellent vocal technique. This includes proper breathing, articulate speech, control of pitch, tone, and volume. Your voice should be a chameleon, able to adapt to different emotions, characters, and styles. Your diction and pronunciation should be impeccable, and your command of the language unparalleled. But that's not all. An important part of the job is the ability to analyze text, to identify key elements, and to convey the desired tone or mood effectively. And the best part? No resume required. To give you a taste of what the job entails, here's a sample script. Hi, today I will be reporting on Afrekete Work from home jobs, business opportunities, affiliate programs, and more. Remember, Afrekete is pronounced Afrekete. Submit your voice sample for approval at afrekete333@gmail.com. Stay tuned, for we will be sharing more current work from home jobs in this video. And don't forget, the link to the free ebook of all current work from home jobs will be in the description. The world of voice-over work is vast and varied, and it could be just the work from home opportunity you've been waiting for.